Hey, Timothy here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can order the mobile payment solution for merchants from Wirecard. First, you have to go to the Checkout Portal website, which is checkoutportal.com. Click on Create Account and choose the country and industry of your company. We offer extensions for the most common shop systems. While you're entering the information, you'll see a summary on the right. Now, click on the Card Payments tab and select which credit or debit cards you want to accept and which card services you want to use for your clearance. In the Other Payments tab, you can choose payment methods you want to accept in addition to cards. In the last tab, you can select additional paid services such as legally proofed legal text, email marketing, shipping tools, and many more. Pick all the ones you want to use and click on Register Now to go straight to the last step of the registration, your personal information. Now, just fill in your company details along with your personal information and hit the Register button. When you log into your account, you can then purchase a mobile card reader which you can use while you're on the go. I highly recommend that if you don't have one already. That's it! Now you've completed the first and most important step to use a mobile payment solution for your business. Make sure you check out the next tutorials in which I will show you how to get the most out of your mobile payment solution. Until then, see you next time.